found Amazon now you can like actually order the shoes.
Right.
Send to you, try them on. Don't like them, send them back.
When we switch over from, you know, our regular absorption style refrigerator, yeah, but can it hold a full turkey? Oh, look. Alliance and NRVTA coming together. Get out of Florida. You got 50 states to go see. 48. I don't know how long I can do this.
How tall are you?
I'm only 6'3". How tall are you?
6'4". Does it look straight?
I was 6. When we switch over from our 12, all night long, 33.3. So 400 watts divided by 12 volts is 33.
3.
Yeah, 33.3. Yeah.
There you go.
Just, you know, infinity with a little thing there. Yeah. So we're looking at 33 amps. Boom, 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 boom. I got it. Yeah. Under your bed whenever you're not using it. And that will reflect not only the sun, but yeah. Alright, what were they again? I don't even remember. Let me do this again. If you have a let me do it this way. Dose. He's thinking. 48. If you have a motorized, do it again. That way, the sides will stay. I just won't even do that way. Now, if you do, I spit there. Why am I saying all that? Yes.
You know, in the morning.
Well, and all right, lower those down. Another thing, go ahead and reposition your onyx. Instead of them having them straight out, don't be an idiot like Tony for 2 years.
It was just 1 year.
Oh, 1 year. Was that 8?
Yeah.
Okay.